How's it going, guys? So today we're going to be doing another scratch off video. I know my BMW guys hate these videos. All my scratch off subscribers, which is about 15,000 of you, want to see another video. So we have a couple things going on. Definitely stay tuned. We have a bunch of Christmas stuff to scratch. A whole bunch of them, actually. And I'm going to tell you, been reading the comments, a lot of you guys been saying, do this, do that. This is how you win. This is how you win. So we're going to try some of those things. So stay tuned for the Christmas scratch off video and some good tips. Enjoy. Okay, so we got our trusted quarter out here. We have these $2 tickets. Holy crap, we got 10 of them. Look at that. Look at that. I'll give you guys a little bit of this. We're at the MRE table if you didn't notice. We got 10 $2 tickets. We have 5 of these $5 tickets and a $20 ticket. Now, a lot of you guys telling me you have to buy a bunch in a row, right? If you don't buy a bunch in a row, you're never going to win. I think that is somewhat true. But we did find the overall winnings on the Missouri lottery are particularly low. But, you know, that being said, not impossible. So we have number 8 to number 17 on these. We'll scratch the $20 one last. Let me see, we got my iPad box here. We're going to use this to scratch against, so you guys can actually see. I'm going to lower this down a little bit, I believe. And we're going to zoom in here real good. Real good. If I don't break the tripod. There we go. Alright, so real quick, the polar playout. It says scratch all 11 spots, reveal a Christmas tree, win a prize showing, reveal a sleigh, win double the prize showing. Alright, I guess let's start. It's very unclear where to even scratch. I guess there. Bill. Toys. It's a weird ticket. That even is a scarf. And that's it. Nothing. Nothing on that one at all. And I think what they start doing, they try to make it like more difficult for you to do so you miss stuff. You know, I don't know. It seems like that's the case. Cherries, candy, scarf, lights, mitten, angel, snowflake. There's a Christmas tree. Win. $5. And a jingle. So we'll put our winners on the right, losers on the left. Here we go. Dove. Scarf. No, no. No. Nothing on that one. Snowman toys. Nothing on that one. Do 2 more. Nothing. Probably the strangest tickets I ever had to scratch, that's for sure. There's a win. $2. $2 winner right here. That over there, that over there. Let's leave them all together and just go on down the line. Whole bunch of nothing. There's a win, $2. Peel that off of here real quick so we don't get them mixed up. We're at number 16. Almost done with the $2 tickets. Last two. Wreath. No, no, no. Oh, what's that? Fire. Last one on the $2. Alright, nothing on that. So I guess, judging by the $2 ones, what's the final report on that? Does buying tickets in a row pay off? Well, I guess it does. It's not going to pay, well, you just don't know. Didn't pay big in that instance. Let me see here. We're number 24 to number 28. So let's start at number 24 on these. These are a little bit different, obviously. So this one is match any of your numbers, any winning numbers, win a prize shown below. Reveal a candy cane, win the prize automatically. Reveal, was it a sucker? I can't even tell. Win $50 instantly, reveal a prize or a gift, win all 16 prizes. Got winning numbers right here. 2, 20, that 20 match, $5. $5 on that one. $27, $3, $23, $1, and $36. $26, $6, $35, $20, $11. 24, 28, 4, 29, 31, 39, 40, and 34. Got a loser on that one. Next up's number 26. $20, $37, $3, $6, $40. Nothing on that one. Rolling right along here. Can't forget on that $20 ticket, there's also a back to scratch on it too. 5, 2, 37, 35, and 39. Nothing. Here's your last $5 ticket. 34, 27, 33, 36, and 10. Not looking good. 29, nothing on that one. And let's go ahead to the very end here. And we have, scratch this up on the back. This one on this side, match any of your numbers to the winning numbers. Win prize shown, reveal a sleigh. Okay, it's kind of the same thing as the $2 ticket. Reveal a sleigh. Win prize shown automatically. Win 5x, 5 times the prize, 10x, and 10 times the prize, 20x, 10 times the prize. Okay, let's just jump right into it here. We have the bonus stuff up here. Match 2 like symbols of the same bonus game and win the prize shown. Okay. And the bonus game didn't pan out. 22, 35, 34, 31, 19, 17, 6, and 32. There's a sleigh. Win the prize shown automatically. 10 bucks. 8. 11. 21. Another sleigh. Another 20 bucks. $20. Another sleigh. $30. Another sleigh, $40. 23, 2. A little easier to miss stuff. You got to really take your time here and do these. 18, 30. Another sleigh, $50. 36 and 37. So $50 in the front. All right, so we got a winning number here. 55. Oh, $60. $70. $80. Symbol, win prize automatically. $90. It's a good ticket, boys. Real good ticket. Another winner. We got 100. We got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Look how black my finger is. 70, 80. 90, 100. $100 winner on a $20 ticket. Not too bad. And let me stop the camera. I'm scanning these old ones to make sure we didn't miss anything. We'll be right back. All right, so we have $114 worth of winners. Not too bad. I think I spent $65 on the tickets. Anytime you come out ahead buying scratch-offs, it's a good day. So in conclusion here, I think there is some truth in buying tickets in a row. Gives you a better chance. How many tickets or not, I don't know. I mean, that's unclear. There again, we hit this one good. We just got lucky on that one, I believe. And that was number 16 on the ticket. So hopefully you guys liked today's video. Hit me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.